Hello students, this is Silicon Lab with a possible UTME problem on the board that says, in the electrolysis of brine using neutral electrodes, which ion is discharged at the anode? Take note, the keywords are electrolysis, brine, anode. First of all, what is electrolysis? Electrolysis is a process of breaking down or decomposing a compound into its component elements with the help of electricity passing through the solution of that compound or that compound in molten form. The electricity we are using is what we call direct current, not alternating current. On the board, the solution is presented. We have an electrolytic cell arranged. The solution here, the electrolyte here is the brine, and brine contains NaCl and H2O. The NaCl is in large quantity. That's why we call it concentrated solution of sodium chloride. Concentrated means we have more of the solute and less of the solvent. Is that clear? Again, another important word here is neutral electrodes. In electrolysis, when we say an electrode is neutral, it means it is inert. It is not taking part in the electrolytic process. Is that clear? Okay. How many ions do we have in this brine? The ions are sodium ion that comes from this, and then chloride ion. Do you understand? We also have hydrogen ion and OH ions coming from here. And when we say anode, we are referring to the positively charged cathode, the positively charged electrode, which is this electrode attached to the positive terminal of the battery. Is that clear to you? Now, if this is positively charged, which ions is it going to attract? It is going to attract OH minus from water and also the Cl minus from sodium chloride. Is that clear? And there, two of them are going to compete for who is going to become discharged in preference and who wins. Well, because Cl is more in amount, the solution is concentrated. Cl, chloride ion, is going to come out in preference to OH minus according to this equation here. The chlorine ion is going to drop its electron and become discharged as neutral chlorine atom, and that process is called oxidation. Is that clear to you? Ordinarily, it's supposed to be OH minus that will be discharged, but because the concentration of Cl is higher in brine, that is why Cl is coming out in preference. Again, remember that in the electrochemical series, OH and Cl, OH minus and Cl minus are very close. Because they are very close, the effect of concentration is more pronounced, and so chloride ions come out in preference. Do you understand? Do you still have any other question you want to get solved as you're preparing for your UTME? Feel free to contact the local lab and you'll get that problem attended to. Thank you.